Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and since I'm going through surgery and I'm having a lot of problems with my back soon, I got to start preparing to lift stuff properly, which everyone else should be doing. So I didn't learn that until I hurt myself and I'm going through surgery and dealing with a lot of crap and spending a lot of money. So anyway, I bought this to try out. It had big wheels compared to the Home Depot one. This is from Harbor Freight. So I wanted something that's all-terrain. I can't find that. This is the best bet that I found for all-terrain with the biggest tires. I wanted something more with air that I could take over grass and stuff, just because, like I said, I got to be more conscious of my back, just like you guys should be. So this is going to help me do that. I think this is only for 150 pounds, so you know, it is what it is. But let's get it open, see what it looks like. Go, so you guys can see if it says anything about it. There you go. Tells you about the wheels and the size and all that mumbo jumbo right there. 150 pound. All right, so let's see. All right, let's see. So I think this part just is supposed to fold out, right? Like that. Bam. Easy peasy. It doesn't really snap. That's it. Oh, there we go. So there we go. That's what it looks like. Very lightweight. What, 10 pounds? I don't even know. Very lightweight. So we're going to put some stuff on it. The only thing I don't like, no straps. This was $30 on sale, but there's no straps. I brought straps with me just in case, but they should include straps. Throw something on here, something lightweight. This is only about 10 pounds. See if it flips it up easily without me even strapping it. Okay, yeah, so it flips up that. A lot lighter than carrying it. I could probably stack 2 or 3 on here. And it's going on the grass, as you can see. See? It is going. My back is killing me right now, but it is working. Probably got to pull it to get it up on those rocks right there. I got rocks over here you're going to see, but that was lightweight. Okay, let's try the bags. You're going to watch me kill myself right now. Ready? I'm only going to do one bag at a time. I mean, one bag would be easy. One bag would be really easy. Can you see me over there doing this? I gotta go up over here. At least that's easier than carrying it for your back. I can tell you that. So, it does work. It's a little bit, you know, slower than what I'm gonna want, but a little bit slower than what I'm gonna want, but it should work. So that was with that. It's for light stuff. And that's it. I'm not going to do the concrete because my back hurts so bad. Alright, so that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews on that. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. Thank you guys. Have a good one. Be safe. Bye-bye.